Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of Google Play services being stopped after factory reset. So for that you need to open up your browser, and in your browser search for Google Play services and then open up this application Google Play Services info. And if you find that there is update option instead of install, then just click on update and update your Google Play services. And after that open up your phone settings and scroll down, then go to apps and click on manage apps. After that search for Google Play services over here and open it up, and here click on clear data and clear cache memory. And after that you should restart your phone and everything should be working fine after that. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.